guys, Mary. Today I'm going to be doing a fidget toy check, my edition. So let's go. Fidget toy check. Show me all of your poppets. Show me all of your dimples. Show me your unusual fidgets. By the way, this is a dish scrubber. Show me your favorite homemade fidget. This is the best homemade fidget, and I literally just made this. Show me your smallest fidget. It's a mochi. Show me your pink fidgets. I have two marble meshes, homemade pink stress ball, kind of colour changes to brown by the way, and then a pink infinity cube. Show me your least favourite fidget. I don't really like these much. And show me the rest of your fidgets. Tangle, homemade stress ball, bike chain, monkey rings, and bead roller. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Sorry, I can't stop playing with this, I just love it.